Okay, I'm here with amazing guy who is in Bitcoin from 2010. I never met anybody who is in Bitcoin from 2010. Look at that. Isn't this style? Next time I'll freaking wear that.
Yeah, totally.
So I'm glad you say hi. Amazing guy. We just spoke for a few minutes. He is from Bitcoin Man. So tell the audience, except crypto, what do you do in your life?
Maybe I'll do a quick introduction. My name is Herbert Sim, the bitcoinman.com. So it's a venture capital that I founded in 2016. Okay, and prior to that, I was the founder of the world first repository for compiling blockchain research papers called Crypto Chain University in 2010. So fast forward 2017 to 18, I was the global operations director at Huobi, which was the biggest exchange in the world. Right? Huobi.
I'm using it.
Yeah, I still love it very much. So the thing is, at that point of time, I was part of the core team that launched Huobi token that raised 400 million in 13 seconds. So that got me quite famous.
400 million
US dollars, right?
in 13 seconds. I'll shut myself, sorry.
So those were the good ICO days. So fast forward again, I founded my own venture capital. I've been investing in different projects across the world. Now, 2023, I launched webc.com, right? It's a cryptocurrency exchange that's centralized and decentralized combined. So it's a very, very hybrid exchange. We are there to solve the FTX problem. Okay, we all know FTX crash, money disappear, right? So what we do is we create a decentralized exchange where funds are always with the users, right? But at the same time, it's centralized user interface. So it's very easy to use, like a Binance, right? But backend, it is actually like a Uniswap, a pancake swap. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to work on right now to actually better the society, better the whole entire industry, right? It's all about solving problems that are existing out there. So that's what I'm doing.
I'm going to leave the link down in the description, by the way. Go and check them out. Definitely use it. Again, not financial advice, but so you hear the guy. If you didn't understand, re-watch again maybe the video. Okay, last question for you. Probably I'll speak a lot, but I know you're very, very busy. What you like to enjoy in your life without it when it's not crypto? What do you do?
So if you look me up, I'm actually a researcher in transhumanism. It is what all Silicon Valley, all the top leaders in the world are all looking at transhumanism. From Bill Gates to Elon Musk and all. What is it exactly? Okay, it's all about transcending human nature. Okay, so you have the likes of neurochip, put in the brain, right? And you can control objects, play computer games with your brain, and much more, right? Elon Musk just showed that a paralyzed guy can play computer games with his brain, right? The second pillar for transhumanism is genetics technology, right? Where you can actually tweak your genes and have superhuman power. It's already possible today, right? If you Google, do your research, it's already available. And the third pillar is actually using super drugs, right? If you actually take this designer drug, for example, and you become super intelligent, that's all part of transhumanism.
That's like limitless.
Yes, you're right. So
I'll get first.
Yeah, so the thing now is all the companies that are within this industry are going to make money, right? Because I've been in crypto 14 years ago. That is when you make money, not when everybody is in. You have to be the leader. You cannot be the follower, you know? So the thing now is, it's for you as well. I mean, you're talking crypto now when it's flooded with people, but you can lead by talking about transhumanism right now, before the wave hits, and you become the thought leader that everybody looks up to.
That's a good advice for me. Amazing. You see, it's all everybody have story different than just crypto. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Likewise.
Follow him up and click the link down. Use that exchange. Thank you so much. God bless everybody. Going to the next one. Man, thank you.